Good morning to all. Today you will learn about fiber to fabric for class 6 and 7. Fiber and fabric. Fiber and fabric. To learn to understand the fiber and fabric, first of all you learn about the fabric. To understand the fabric, you see this is a towel. This is a towel and this is made from cotton. This is made up of cotton. And cotton, this is a handkerchief. This is a handkerchief. It is a made of silk, made up of silk. These are also some piece of the cloth. So these are different cloth, and these clothes are made up of fabric. Made up of fabric. Fabric means cloth. Fabric means cloth, and these cloths you see that when you pull these cloth, when you pull, then you obtain thread. Then you obtain thread. These are the thread, and these are the fabric. This is the fabric piece of cloth, and this is a thread or yarn, and this is the yarn. And you see that when you pull, also these pull yarn, you pull yarn, then you get thin strands, very thin strands. You get very thin strands, and these thin strands is called fiber. These thin strands is called fiber. You understand perhaps that fabric means cloth. Fabric means cloth, and these cloth fabric is made of a yarn or thread, and this yarn is also made of thin strands is called fiber. You also suppose that this is the fabric. This is the fabric, and when you pull it, then you get yarn. This is yarn. This is yarn, and this yarn is again pull. Then you get thinner strands. That is fiber. That is fiber. Fiber, you defined that fiber is a thin strands of thread that is made up of a still thinner strands, that is called fiber. That is called fiber. Means fiber is the thinnest, smallest strands of the yarn. Fiber is obtained from different sources. On the basis of this source, fiber is classified into two types. First, natural fiber, and second, synthetic fiber. There are two types of fiber. First, natural fiber. Natural fiber is obtained from the plant and animal. It is obtained from the plant and animal. So it is also classified into two categories, two types: plant fiber and animal fiber. Animal fiber. Plant fiber is obtained from plant, and this is a cotton and jute. Cotton and jute are plant fiber, and animal fiber is wool and silk. Wool and silk is animal fiber. Cotton is obtained from fruit of the cotton plant. Fruit of cotton plant, that is called cotton ball. That is called cotton ball. That is called cotton ball. Cotton ball is a fruit of cotton plant, and jute is obtained from a stem of jute. A stem of. Next type is animal fiber. Animal fiber, since it is obtained from animal. So first, animal fiber is wool, and this is obtained from fleece of silk, fleece of sheep. Fleece of sheep. Fleece means upper soft hair of the sheep is called fleece, and second is wool. Wool fiber, silk. Silk fiber is obtained from cocoon. Cocoon of silk worm. Silkworm. So these are type of natural fiber, plant fiber and animal fiber. And second type is synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber is also called artificial fiber, and it is made by man. It is made by man by using chemical. By using made by man from chemicals. Chemical in factory. So it is called synthetic fiber. Important synthetic fiber is nylon, acrylic, nylon, acrylic, polyester. These are synthetic fiber. And you have learned that fabric types of fiber.